The Surface laptop is around a year old now, so we think it's about time to start getting excited about the Surface Laptop 2. We have gathered some of the leaks and rumor that we will see an upcoming Surface Laptop 2. No matter how much we love the original Windows 10 powered Surface laptop, there's always room for improvement.
Number 1. Surface Laptop 2 release date. Unfortunately, we know next to nothing regarding when we'll see the next Surface laptop from Microsoft. So, that leaves us with the release of last year to base any speculation upon. The Surface laptop came out in June 2017 in the US. Now, Microsoft seems to like to alternate between different Surface devices year after year, so that would lead us to believe that the Surface Laptop 2 would be coming out in 2019. However, we haven't heard any official word on Surface hardware so far this year, so anything is on the table. And, with Microsoft teasing, well, something, for the 2nd of October, we might see the Surface Laptop 2 in the very near future. Plus, it looks like Surface laptop inventory is drying up, which could lead to a Surface Laptop 2 reveal at the imminent press event. Granted, Microsoft hasn't been awfully consistent with the release timings of its Surface Pro or Surface Book products. So, maybe we'll see an announcement in the next couple of months in time for the back-to-school 2019 season, but a September or October release date is far more likely.
Number 2. Surface Laptop 2 price. Again, there has been little to no information regarding the Surface Laptop 2 price. So, we only have the current model's pricing to go off of. With that, we know that Surface Laptop today starts at $799, a new configuration featuring a lower power Intel Core M3 processor. The original starting model, meanwhile, starts at $999. So, if we are to see a Surface Laptop 2 in 2018, it's tough to expect Microsoft to deviate far, if at all, from this price in either direction.
Number 3. Surface Laptop 2 specs. And surprisingly, we know nothing with any amount of concrete certainty about what kind of hardware will be inside the would-be Surface Laptop 2. But, again, we have the current models as a baseline for our best guesses. If Microsoft goes the Intel route with the Surface Laptop 2, it's safe to assume it'll integrate 8th generation Kaby Lake R or Coffee Lake processors. However, now that Intel is gearing up to release its Whiskey Lake U series processors, the Surface lineup may skip the 8th generation entirely. Otherwise, we wouldn't be surprised to see the existing basic RAM and storage configurations to remain the same, as memory and storage standards haven't drastically changed since last year.